What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over friend SPX6900. Remember, we're not trading this one. We're just believing in something. But I am still trading. I'm in a trade for ETH. You can get free access to my trading group at the end of the video. 48 cents, up 5.3 on the day. We are sitting at a market cap 449 million, 24 volume 33 million. So if we look off this low at 25 cents, beautiful wave one to the upside, wave two pullback. Now it looks like we're going to push up in that larger wave three, which will take you all the way up to $1.80. In the short term, within the wave three or five waves, so we have a nice 1-2. We're seeing a nice push. As you can see, we're up 10% on the day. And where's my friend Giga? Giga's up 14%, 15%. So love to see it. Two of the meme coins that look really strong for this cycle. Definitely, if you follow MURAD on X, you know what I'm talking about. So in the short term, you'll be looking to push up in that larger wave three. That'll take you to 86 cents. And to confirm that bullish breakout, we want to see a break of this beautiful, massive inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern. If we can break 52 cents, then we're good to go. Of course, it can take time. It's not going to happen overnight. But if we roll over, we lose this low, then simply it'll go through an ABC correction in the two, and the invalidation is down here at about, wow, Jax, get it together. Haven't made videos in a minute. That's probably why. Command. There it is. Yeah, so the invalidation is 37 cents for this smaller wave count. As you can see here, beautiful inverse head and shoulders. So we just wait to see if we can break that neckline to get a beautiful breakout. I'll give you a target for that. Take a trend line from the bottom to the top to the neckline of the pattern to your point of breakout, and that target can take you all the way up to about $1.56, and that wave three target is all the way up at $1.80. So we'll see how it plays out. It is looking good for reversal and a bullish move back to the upside. I do think we could easily get above $50 a coin for this bull run. As you can see, we're only at 48 cents, but the amount of interest in SPX6900 is absolutely insane. The most craziest I've ever seen in my crypto journey, and I've been here since what, 2020 beginning of 2021. So yeah, I'm a big believer in my friend SPX. If you want completely free access to my trading group, we're currently in a trade for Ethereum. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. The link is at the top of the comments. Once you sign up, send me an email. That's it. No strings attached. I'll send you a link, which includes my daily crypto analysis from my VIP rooms for all your favorite coins, my exact trade setups. We're in a trade for Ethereum, as well as you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. And we have almost 3,000 members that are chatting all things crypto. All you have to do is take 30 seconds, sign up to Bitfinex, and send me an email. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.